Hello everyone, welcome to Study Tech. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so you get notification every time. Thank you.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study Dak. In this video, we see that how to solve the tangent and normal problem, class 12th maths, chapter 6, application of derivatives. In this video, we see that how to find the point of contact, slope of tangent, slope of normal, equation of tangent and equation of normal. Before going to this video, please make sure that you subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so you get notification every time. Come to the topic. Today's topic, tangent and normal, chapter 6, application of derivatives, class 12th maths. First, tangent to the curve, let y equal to fx be the equation of a curve. The equation of the tangents at x1 y1 is y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1, where m equal to slope of tangent equal to dy by dx x1 y1 equal to f dash x1, or m equal to tan theta. Second, normal to the curve, let y equal to fx be the equation of the curve, and the equation of the normal is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m x minus x1, or x minus x1 plus m y minus y1 equal to 0, where m equal to slope of the tangent equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 equal to f dash x1, and slope of the normal equal to minus 1 by m equal to minus 1 by f dash x1. अब हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 6.3. Welcome back. Exercise 6.3, question number 1. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x at x equal to 4. Answer. Find the slope of the tangent y equal to 3x4 minus 4x, differentiation with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to dy dx 3x की power 4 minus 4x equal to 4 से 12 x cube minus 4. Slope of tangent at a point at x equal to 4. Therefore, put the value of x is 4, 12 into 4 cube minus 4. That is 12 into 16 into 4. 16 into 4. 64 into 12, that equal to 8, 6 to the 12, 4, 6, 8, 6, 7. 7, 6, 8 minus 4. That is 7, 6, 4. ये हो गया slope of tangent. This is the first question. Come, second question is, find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2, x does not equal to 2 at x equal to 10. Y equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to d by dx x minus 1 upon x minus 2, that equal to x minus 2 का स्क्वायर x minus 1 dash x minus 2 minus x minus 1 x minus 2 dash. Differentiation of 1 is x is 1, y is 1 is 0. Differentiation of x is 1 and 1 is 0. X minus 2 minus x minus 1 into 1 minus 0 x minus 2 square. Okay. Second, x minus 2 minus x minus 1 upon x minus 2 का square, that is x minus 2 minus x plus 1 upon x minus 2 का square. X cancel, that is minus 1 upon x minus 2 square. Okay. Therefore, find the slope of tangent at a x equal to 10. dy by dx, put x equal to 10, that is minus 1 by x minus 2 की power x minus 10 minus 2 की power 2, that is minus 1 by 8 square, that is minus 1 by 64. This is the answer. Please note down. Welcome back. Exercise 6.3, question number 2. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2. Condition x does not equal to 0 at x equal to 10. Y equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2. Differentiation with respect to x, dy by dx equal to dy dx x minus 1 upon x minus 2. Apply the divide rule और क्वेश्चन टूल x minus 2 का होल स्क्वायर x minus 1 का डैश इंटू x minus 2 माइनस x minus 1 x minus 2 का डैश. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x is 1 और 1 is 0. x minus 2 x minus 1, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x is 1 और 2 is 0. राइट डाउन x minus 2 minus x minus 1 as it is x minus 2 का स्क्वायर. रिमूव ब्रैकेट x minus 2 minus x minus 1 plus 1 x cancel, minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 upon x minus 2 square. Find the tangent at a point x equal to 10, dy by dx, put the x equal to 10 in equation this. In equation first, minus 1 by 10 minus 2 whole square, minus 1 by x 8 square, that is minus 1 by 64. This is the first question. Okay. Next, find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus x minus 1 minus x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Y equal to, third question, y equal to x cube minus x plus 1. Differentiation with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to dy dx x cube minus x plus 1. That is 3x square minus x minus 1 plus 0, that is 3x square minus 1. Put x equal to 2. because find the slope of the tangents at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Therefore I put x equal to in this 3 into 2 pi square minus 1, that is 3 into 4 minus 1, 12 minus 1, that is 11. Therefore slope of tangent is 11. Next question. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2 at slope point whose x coordinate is 3. Fourth question. Y equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2. Differentiation with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dx x cube minus 3x plus 2. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Write down 3x square. Differentiation of 3x is 3, or differentiation of 2 is 0. That is 3x square minus 3. Put x equal to 3. Put x equal to 3. Because x coordinate is 3. Therefore 3 into 3 square minus 3, that is 3 into 9 minus 3, 27 minus 3 equal to 24. Therefore slope of a tangent is 24. Next question, question number 5th. Find the slope of normal to the curve x equal to a cos cube theta, comma y equal to a sin cube theta at x theta equal to pi by 4. Question number 5 है x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. This is the parametric form. Write down x equal to a cos cube theta. Differentiation with respect to theta. Therefore dx by d theta equal to d by d theta a cos cube theta. Okay, write down a 3 cos square theta into d by d theta cos theta. A 3 cos square theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. That is minus 3a sin theta into cos square theta dx by d theta. Again, चूंकि y equal to a sin cube theta, differentiation with respect to theta, therefore dy by d theta equal to d by d theta a sin cube theta. A differentiation of sin cube theta is 3 sin square theta d by d theta sin theta. Write down a 3 sin square theta. Differentiation of sin is cos theta. Write down 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Okay. Therefore dy by d theta equal to dx by d theta equal to 3a sin square theta into cos theta upon minus 3a sin theta into cos theta. Divide both. This is the dy by d theta and this is dx by d theta. इन दोनों वैल्यू को हमने क्या करा, डिवाइड कर दिया. d theta cancel out, 3a cancel out, 1 sin theta cancel, 1 cos theta cancel. Therefore dy by d theta dx equal to sin by cos sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. फाइंड करना हमें स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल एट अ पॉइंट थीटा इक्वल टू पाई बाय 4. Therefore dy by d theta equal to at theta equal to pi by 4. Put theta equal to pi by 4. Therefore tan pi by 4, that is tan pi by 4 is 1. Tan pi by 4 is 1. This is the slope of tangent equal to 1. Therefore slope of tangent equal to 1. We need to find slope of normal. Slope of normal equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent, or minus 1 by m. This is m. Put minus 1 by 1 equal to minus 1. This is slope of, therefore slope of tan normal equal to this minus 1. This is the required answer. Comes on up. Question number next. Question number 6. Find the slope of normal to the curve x equal to 1 minus a sin theta, y equal to a sin cube theta at y equal to b sin square theta at theta equal to pi by 2. X equal to 1 minus a sin theta and y equal to b cos squared theta. आपको पुट करना है थीटा इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2. Differentiation with respect to theta. This is also the parametric form. Differentiate with respect to theta. Therefore dy d theta is 1 minus a sin theta. 1 is 0 minus a sin differentiation cos theta. Therefore minus a cos theta. This is differentiation with respect to theta. dy by d theta equal to dy d theta b cos square theta. b differentiation on cos of square theta is 2 cos theta. And apply chain rule, dy d theta cos theta, that is 2b cos theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Write down minus b 2 sin theta into cos. Yes, taking y equal negative. The x minus 1 equal to minus 1. Therefore x transfer minus 1 to right sides, minus 1 plus 1, that is x equal to 0. Putting the value of x equal to 0 in equation first, y equal to 1 by x minus 1, that it becomes y equal to 1 upon 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Therefore required point is 0 minus 1, 0 and minus 1. Slope is given minus 1. Slope is minus 1. Therefore, equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. Therefore, y minus minus 1 equal to minus 1 x minus 0. Therefore, y minus 1 is plus 1 or minus x. Right side set, left side set. So x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the required second equation. Comes on the next question, that is question number 14. Question number 14. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the given curve at the incidence points y equal to x की power 4, y equal to first question 14 to first part है y equal to x की power 4 minus 6 x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 0 or 5. Point is given. We need to find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. फिर से क्वेश्चन रिपीट करता हूँ. Find the equation of tangent and the normal to the given curve at incidence points. Y equal to first part is y equal to x equal to 4 minus 6 x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at x 0 or 5. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx equal to dy dx x की power 4 minus 6 x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. It becomes 4x cube minus 6 3 18x square plus 26x minus 10. Okay, this is the slope dy by dx. Put the value of x equal to 0, so dy by dx 0 5 पे, that is 4 0 cube minus 18 0 square minus plus 26 0 minus 10. It becomes minus 10 equal to slope of tangent. Given, therefore slope m equal to minus 10 and 0.05. Therefore equation of required tangent. Y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1, that is y minus 5 equal to minus 10 x minus 0, that is y minus 5 equal to minus 10x, that is 10x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the required answer. Okay, comes again second, we need to find equation of normal, that is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m x minus x1, that is y minus y1 5 minus 1 by m is minus 10 x minus 0, minus minus plus, तो इनको क्रॉस कर दो, that is 10y minus 50 equal to x. Therefore इसको चले आओ x minus 10y plus 50 equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. This is the equation of tangent. Okay. Comes on a next question. Question number 16. So that the tangent to the curve y equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the point where x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. 16, y equal to 7x cube plus 11, differentiation with respect to 2x, therefore dy by dx equal to dy dx 7x cube plus 11, that is 21x square. dy by dx is, put x equal to 2, x equal to 2, therefore 21 into 2 square, that is 84. This is the M1. Again put x equal to minus 2, that is 21 into minus 2 square, that is 21 into 4, 84. This is the M2. Therefore M1 equal to M2. So they are parallel. Okay, then this video इसमें इतना ही. वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और वीडियो पसंद आने पे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. यदि हमारा चैनल आपको अच्छा लगे तो आप इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.